How to return Temu items. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can return an item that you have purchased on Temu app. While the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. However, what you'll have to keep in note is there are certain terms and conditions that you'll need to make a return on Temu. For that, you can head into your browser and there you can search in for Temu return and refund policy. Here you can see and you can read this. Now, to return the Temu items that you have purchased, you want to simply open up your Temu application and you want to make sure you're logged into your account that you made the purchase from. Once here, you'll get a face like this as you can see on the screen. What you want to do is at the bottom of the screen you can see home, categories, U, card and free shipping option. Simply select the U option here at the bottom of the screen and you should get a face like this. Now here you can see under messages the second option that says your orders. Simply tap on it and every orders that you have made will show up here. Now once you do so, here you want to simply select the item that you want to purchase and that you have purchased, and then you want to tap on it and there you'll see the return option, and then you'll be able to go through certain steps where you'll be able to return your Temu items. So this way you can return your items on Temu. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.